everyone, for today's project I am creating a beautiful fall centerpiece using this gold tray I found at the dollar store. For step 1, I am just giving it about 2 to 3 coats of the black acrylic paint from Apple Barrel. For step 2, I'm going to grab the floral foam rectangle that you can find in the dollar store, cut it in half, and then cut the half in half. For step 3, I'm adding my flowers to my centerpiece. I decided to go with 3 main colors, which were burgundy, cream, and a little bit of orange to give it that fall feel. step 5, I'm going to add this orange and burgundy. I think it's a wreath form. Like it's like a little mini wreath form that I found at Dollar Tree, matched perfectly to the center of my centerpiece. For step 6, I took a mirrored coaster from the dollar store and glued it to the top of my centerpiece. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it leaves you inspired to create some home decor of your own. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this project, and let me know in the comments below what colors you might have used to create this centerpiece. And lastly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Bye everyone!